Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. In today's video, we're talking the world's best antioxidant, and it goes by the name of coenzyme Q10. Now, I know how overwhelming antioxidants can be. There is just so much choice, so many different antioxidants all doing different things. You guys often ask me what is my personal favorite when it comes to antioxidants, and the answer will always be coenzyme Q10, because I think when it comes to the range of benefits it delivers, the affordability of Q10 products, and the ease of application and slotting it into your skincare routine, coenzyme Q10 wins hands down every single time, and I want to explain why in today's video. I'm going to break it apart with some pros and cons. I'm going to share with you the benefits I've got for my own skin with coenzyme Q10, and of course my favorite Q10 containing skincare products. So sit back, relax, let's talk the world's best antioxidant. Now, before we get into this video, I want to wish each and every one of you out there a very happy Easter. I would love to know what you guys are doing, how you're celebrating, so let me know in the comments section below. And start your comment with the Easter bunny emoji, which I only discovered this morning when my mum sent me the emoji in a text. I was like, oh, that's quite cool. So let's celebrate together by sharing that Easter bunny emoji in the comment section. If you're not celebrating Easter, I still want to send you a huge amount of love, wish you a happy Sunday, and yeah, just say thank you to each and every one of you for tuning in to today's video. All of the recommendations that I make later on in the video are sponsorship free. I don't do sponsored content here on the channel because I think it helps me to retain my independence. So if you want to support me as a sponsorship free content creator, the best way of doing that is by reaching down and giving this video a big thumbs up and a like. Honestly, this supports me so much. So from the bottom of my heart, love to each and every one of you. Now, without further ado, let's cut that waffle and delve straight on in. So coenzyme Q10, also known by its scientific name ubiquinone, which is harder to spell, impossible to pronounce, but they're exactly the same thing. It's been around for decades. I think the first brand to really formulate with Q10 was Nivea, and you'll still see a lot of Nivea products using this hero antioxidant. However, now we have so much choice. The market has really expanded recently, and I think antioxidants are like the hidden gem, the holy grail when it comes to anti-aging skincare. That's because they fend off free radical damage. There are these things called free radicals that exist around us all day, and they cause oxidative stress in our skin. Now, free radicals can be pollution, particulate matter, certain wavelengths of light, even like blue light. These hit our skin, they stress it out. That oxidative stress can cause hyperpigmentation, it can break down collagen, leading to the emergence of fine lines and wrinkles, and it can also dehydrate the skin. So we need to use antioxidants to protect the skin from that free radical damage and use it alongside a good SPF. Often people will ask me, do you use antioxidants or do you use SPF sunscreen? You use them both together. Sunscreen is like the non-negotiable that protects the skin from those UV rays, and the antioxidants work alongside it to mop up everything that escapes and gets through all those free radicals that are still doing damage. The antioxidant will mop up. So hopefully that takes it back to basics and kind of explains how they work. Now, there are lots of different antioxidants out there, all of which provide this protection against free radical damage. But for me, I think coenzyme Q10 is the best for a number of reasons, which I want to cover in this section of the video. So first up, let's talk some studies. Now, I know a lot of us skincare nerds out there like to see the data, we like to see the studies, and I will link a couple of studies into coenzyme Q10 in the description box below if you want to spend your Easter Sunday nerding out and reading all of it like I've just done. But I think the benefits of Q10 are well understood, documented, and scientifically studied. So one particular study, which again is linked, showed that coenzyme Q10, when applied topically to the skin, actually leads to a meaningful increase in the level of coenzyme Q10 within the skin over time. This is great because a lot of the time when we apply topical products, they don't always get to where they need to be in order to deliver benefit, and so you might get a temporary fix, but not a whole lot of long-term payoff. You definitely get that long-term benefit with coenzyme Q10. It's also special because whilst it provides that antioxidant function, it's also proven to hydrate the skin too. So if you're wanting like multiple benefits, protection and hydration, coenzyme Q10 is the antioxidant. And then finally, it also energizes our cells. So our cells will need the energy to feed them to keep it tip-top health and provide all of their functions. And coenzyme Q10 is one of those energy sources, which again, over time can just improve our overall skin health, get it glowing to the gods, and provide an additional benefit beyond just traditional antioxidant protection. I think these three benefits, when taken together, make coenzyme Q10 pretty unique and fairly special, and I think they're the reason why I've got so many great results from it. Another key reason though why I love my Q10 is the fact that it's so easy and flexible to apply. So you'll often read about certain antioxidants not being able to be used with this ingredient or the other ingredient, and you really have to think long and hard about how you layer and pair things together. And this can become a little bit overwhelming. Often I've stepped away from ingredients because I've just thought this is too complex. I really just don't have time for this. Well, coenzyme Q10 is best friends with everything. There isn't a single standard skincare ingredient out there that you can't pair alongside your coenzyme Q10. So if you're keen to try it, you literally just slot it somewhere into your skincare routine and you are good to go. That flexibility, again, makes it super special because it's, yeah, like I say, it's best friends with all our standard skincare ingredients. And finally, when it comes to coenzyme Q10, another thing that makes it really special is it works for everyone. So it's not sensitizing on the skin. It'll work no matter what your skin type, what your skin tone. It really will work for everyone. Now, of course, is it possible to be allergic to Q10? Absolutely. That's the same with any single ingredient in skincare. So please, if you do embark on a new product, patch test thoroughly first. But generally, coenzyme Q10 is one of the best tolerated antioxidants by our skin, which just, again, makes it applicable to everyone out there and a real ding, 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 holy grail ingredient. So hopefully that gives you a bit of a background as to why coenzyme Q10 is different to some other antioxidants on the market, why it's special. But when it comes to my own skin, I want to share with you the results that I got. So I've probably been using coenzyme Q10 consistently in my routine for the past 3 years. Now, I love it so much as an ingredient, I incorporated it into 2 of my own skincare products, the Mad About Skin Super Serum and the Mad About Skin Antioxidant Serum. Now, both of those are unfortunately out of stock at the moment because we're going through a rebranding exercise, which I am super excited about, which is coming imminently. So if you did want to be part of that and know when it's all back in stock, you can go to the website, which is linked in the description box below. Sign up to our newsletter where you will be notified the second everything comes back in stock and we do that relaunch, that rebranding exercise. But these 2 products I've been using consistently in my routine for the past 3 years, and I do so because of that coenzyme Q10 component. I've got some really great results. I definitely notice an increase in terms of hydration using coenzyme Q10 versus some other antioxidants. I've never had any issues with sensitivity or irritation, which is great because some other antioxidants, whilst they've worked well for me, have irritated or increased redness in my skin, which I'm not a fan of. Never had that issue with coenzyme Q10. And I definitely think using antioxidants in general has helped with my anti-aging game. One of the benefits of being online like this and putting your life out there online is you can look back on videos and what your skin was doing, say, like 3 years ago. So I look back to some of the first videos I recorded here on YouTube. I look at my skin and think, yeah, definitely there was more hyperpigmentation, there was less firmness and elasticity, and I did notice those fine lines and wrinkles. I have a lot less of them now, and that's not totally down to coenzyme Q10. Lots of other things have gone on, but I definitely think that's a core component of it. Regular and consistent use of antioxidants definitely plays a part. So I would encourage everyone to get an antioxidant in their skincare routine. Does it have to be coenzyme Q10? Absolutely not. There's lots out there, but I think for me, coenzyme Q10 is the best of the best. It's affordable, it's easy to use, it works with everything, and I think in terms of the benefits, you get multiple different ones rather than just 1 or 2 benefits with some other antioxidants. Now, of course, you can layer and pair. You can use coenzyme Q10 with other antioxidants to boost it up, which is what I did in that Mad About Skin antioxidant cream, using multiple antioxidants to harness multiple benefits. However, if at this point in the video you think, yeah, I want to give coenzyme Q10 a go, try it out for my own skincare routine, these are the products that I will personally recommend. Now, the best of the best that's in stock currently is this. This is the Timeless Coenzyme Q10 Serum. I love this because it is so simple. You look at the ingredients of this, it's got that coenzyme Q10 in a good concentration. You've got vitamin E, another great antioxidant, and a hydrator too. You've got some glycerin, you've got some hyaluronic acid to plump the skin out. And that's pretty much it. The formulation is basic, but the results are next level. And the reason that I chose to film this video today rather than delaying it a little bit is Timeless for today only, if you're watching on launch, is currently 50% off. So you can get this 50% off, which I think brings it down to something around like $16. Super affordable. Look out for the coloration of your coenzyme Q10. You should have a really rich yellow coloration because that's the color of Q10. If your Q10 product is clear, question it. It just doesn't happen. To get a meaningful dose of coenzyme Q10, you will have that yellow coloration. And Timeless, tick every box. So if you're tempted with this, it's a good price anyway. But if you're tempted, today's the day because it's actually 50% off, which I love. And this is hands down my favorite of the coenzyme Q10 serums. Now, another personal favourite of mine, though, is the Face Theory Lipid Q10. Now, this is an oil-based Q10. I think this is a great option for people that have very dry skin. If you're very dryness prone, then actually using a lipid-based Q10 could be a revelation. This one has ceramides to boost the barrier function of the skin. It's got a lot of hydrators. It's got rosehip seed oil, which is going to nourish and deeply hydrate the skin. So I think, the Timeless will work for almost everyone. For people that have super, super dry skin and need to get on top of that, then I think that this one by Face Theory, the Lipid Q10, really will work well. Again, an affordable price point when you think of the quality oil formulation that you're getting here. And Face Theory now ship internationally. So I should have said this earlier, but I've left links in the description box below to where you can buy all of the products mentioned. And for this one, the Face Theory one, there are multiple different links depending on your location. So just use the one based on wherever you are. But yeah, I think this one is definitely for the dry-skinned viewers out there. It will help tackle that in a flash and just, yeah, works so, so well. I mentioned earlier how I like to use coenzyme Q10 alongside other antioxidants in my skincare routine to just harness the power of all of them. Whilst I'm waiting for the Mad About Skin antioxidant cream to come back in stock, yeah, I know, I'm even out of my own supply of my own product while we're going through this rebrand, I know. But whilst we're doing this, I've also been experimenting with some other different multiple antioxidant formulations. And a really good one out there is the Paula's Choice Resist Antioxidant Concentrated Serum. This is great because it's got multiple different antioxidants in here, including vitamin C. So this could be your antioxidant and your vitamin C serum all in one. It's a really, really nice product. Slightly higher on the price point, but you're getting more in that formulation, so I don't think that's a bad thing. This is still definitely value for money. They do two sizes. They do like a 5ml travel size and they do the 30ml. Honestly, that 5ml travel size will last quite a while because you only need a tiny, tiny amount to get all that benefit. So you could even just start with that, see if you like it, and then go to the larger size if you're a bit concerned about the price point. But yeah, this one by Paula's Choice, a great option. So there you have it, guys. A brief overview of coenzyme Q10, what it can do, what it's done for my skin, why I think it's the world's best antioxidant, and some great options on the market. Thank you all for your patience out there. I know a lot of you have been asking about when the Mad About Skin antioxidant cream is coming back in stock. Thank you so, so much for your patience. We're working on it. The rebranding is round the corner and I'm so unbelievably excited. So don't forget to sign up to the newsletter on the website so you can be the first to know. We're going to be running some like webinars where we can talk about, you guys can ask me any questions you want on products, where we talk about each and every one, fangirl out about them, and again they'll be announced on that newsletter. So yeah, if you wanted to take part, go over and sign up. But I think in the meantime, a little coenzyme Q10 action will definitely help boost your skin, prevent premature aging, and boost hydration at the same time. What's not to love? Let me know your thoughts, feelings, and opinions, and wherever you are in the world, guys. Stay safe, stay well, and love your skin. Take care. Bye.